Hello and welcome back. Let's move on to the next API in this particular browse catalog feature. That's going to be to get the photo for a particular dish. Let's head over to our routes, and inside of dish I'm going to create a new route here, and that's going to be a get. The URI for that would be dishes and underscore and colon ID, right? And then we'll have a photo here. Okay, right, and this is gonna be a get dish photo. That's the method in the controller. Okay, let me go ahead and copy this, insert this here, and head over to the controllers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go right at the top, create some space, and say exports dot get dish photo, and this is going to be an arrow function, and it's going to get a request and response object. It doesn't need a next because it would have gone through the middleware already. Okay, so what we're going to do here is get the dish from the request.dish property. So I'm going to say const dish is equal to request.dish. Okay, and let's say if the dish has photo data, and I'm essentially make sure it has the photo data available. So I'm going to say dish dot photo dot data. Okay, that's available. What I'm going to do is I'm going to say res, which is response dot set, and I'm going to say set the content type to essentially dish, oops, not in quotes, dish dot photo. Okay, and that's going to be content type. Okay, and I'm also going to say res dot send dish dot photo dot data. Okay, if the data is not present, then we have to say else. We're going to say return res dot status 204 with a JSON message let's say message no data found, no. Super. So hopefully this should take care of that. What happened here? Okay, this is actually exports. I think could be an issue with the typo. Yeah, it looked like that. Super. So let's head over to our dish REST client, which is right here, and I'm going to get the same dish again. Alright, which essentially has a picture. I'm gonna essentially go ahead and pick this particular URI, go over to my browser. Okay, and let me close this, open new tab, and paste the URI, and then put a photo affix or postfix the photo here. Okay, because that's the URI for getting the photo. Okay, fingers crossed. Alright, super, we're getting the image here, right? Super, excellent. Right, I'm not sure if we would have gotten the same thing here in our editor. Let's try that. I'm going to say get, and let's say get photo. Okay, so this is going to be the URI, and we're going to have the get request. Alright, I'm going to say get. Alright, so just go ahead and send this request. Don't think it's capable of actually handling that, but okay, probably. Oh yeah, it's actually some binary data. Okay, don't think this is capable of handling that. Or maybe what can I say? Accept. If I say accept image/jpg, would it actually send me something? Would it show that? No, looks like no. Okay, maybe there's a setting here which I probably need to turn on. Alright, so I'll probably find that at some point and then try to see if I can actually get the image here, okay? But that's not really important, to be honest, as long as we're getting the image and the browser is rendering that. Okay, so let's take a pause here. It looks like we're done with all our APIs and we should be good in here. And yeah, if you want to look at the error handling part, so let's say I don't know if the error handling part will come into picture here. We can give it a shot. Yeah, so let me go ahead and say C1 instead of C0. So this should give us additional 404 error. Okay, and if I say give a incorrect ID, invalid ID, which is MongoCast error, this should give me a 400. Okay, invalidation ID. Okay, super. Even our error handling is working fine thanks to our middleware. Okay, so let's take a pause here. We'll come back and then look at the next steps. And the next steps would be mostly to push this code that we written on the API server into a repository on GitHub. So we have to make a new repository for our APIs on GitHub and push this code out and then take it forward from there. Okay.